This is the standard in the industry for grounding a building, okay? This is the standard. So nice little hunk. It's unfaded, so it's not worth as much money at the scrapyard, which is okay. This fourth one here is what bonds this trough. And this trough has a 4-aught barrier going around it. And then there's a bunch of little ground bars that are pieced off of that.
We repeat the process again in stage 2, where we're treating with the sodium hydroxide and sodium hypochlorite. If we are to reach a low level, level switch hits low, level indicator transmitters also transmitting back to you, we'll have a low alarm.
Right here, this differential pressure gauge, that's only showing the pressure drop within the vessel from the inlet to above the packed bed.
This is the unit that controls the system. It takes the input from the smoke detection in the room, the 2 smoke detectors on.
I have a friend that does HVAC system stuff. He was changing a belt on a fan, locked out, no power, okay? He was out there putting the belt back on, a gust of wind came up, caught the fan and spun it, took 2 of his fingers off. This motor's on a slide base you see right here, okay? These are your tent tightening screws. These will move that motor up and down.
This right now shows in a percentage. I mean, we may change it to the level, but right now it shows the percentage, so guy is filling up. He knows that I'm 90% full. It has a digital display here, but there is no analog output. It only gives you the contact output. And the contact output goes to the main panel after timer times out if you have high pressure.
We're going to go through the arming process of your security system. Right now you have 4 zones that you can arm, and the system right now is indicating that it's ready to arm.
The top number here is the actual discharge air temperature. The bottom number right here is the set point temperature.
If you see a supervisory or trouble, call the maintenance shop so they can send somebody out here.
The first thing, you have the butterfly valve and that hydraulic operator we just looked at. Then you have the mist eliminator. Inside here is the hydraulic reservoir for the oil. This is the hydraulic cylinder that turns the shaft.
When this air handler is in low speed, one of the exhaust fans, DF2, will be running. If for some reason it kicks into high speed, they both will run.